What is baby massage and how to do it? Step by step for moms. Hi, golden moms. Welcome back to the Coming Mom, a community for golden, doting, and present moms. If you're new here, you're amazingly welcome to our community. So, returning subscribers, welcome back. Today, we are diving into something soft, sweet, and deeply bonding: baby massage. Whether you're a first time mom or you've done this before, this video will guide you through everything you need to know, step by step, with love. Baby massage: what, why, and how. What is baby massage? So, what exactly is a baby massage? It's simply using gentle, rhythmic strokes with your hand to massage your baby's body. You can use a little baby oil or lotion, but more importantly, it's a way of saying I love you without words. Why should you massage your baby? Now, why should you do it? Baby massage isn't just cute, it's powerful. It helps babies sleep better, it relieves gas, colic, and constipation. It improves blood flow and growth. It builds trust and bonding. It boosts confidence in new moms. Yes, you. It's like a spa day for your baby, but with a hug in every touch. When and how to start massaging? Alright, mama, before you begin, here is what you will do: a warm, quiet room, a soft towel or blanket, a baby oil or lotion, warm hands, no cold fingers please, a relaxed you. Massage your baby when they are calm, alert, and not too full. After bath time or before bedtime is perfect. Let's walk through a simple massage routine you can follow at home. Step 1. Start with the legs. Legs are less sensitive, so it's a good place to begin. Gently wrap your hands around the baby's thigh and stroke down to the ankle. Repeat a few times and then switch. Step 2. Feet and toes. Rub the soles, stroke the feet, and roll each toe gently. Babies love foot massages. Step 3. Arms and hands. Stroke from shoulder to wrist. Then massage their little palms and fingers one by one. Step 4. Chest and tummy. Please, both hands flat on their chest and gently move outward. Then move to the tummy massage in clockwise circles to help digestion. You can also do the I love you stroke. Step 5. Back massage. Turn your baby gently on your tummy and use flat palms to stroke from neck to bottom. No pressure on the spine, just love. Step 6. Face massage. This is optional. Gently rub their forehead, eyebrows, and cheeks with your thumbs. Use soft circles behind the ears and under the chin. Trust me, they will love it. Mama, don't worry about getting it perfect. The most important thing is that you're present and connected. Watch your baby's cues. If they turn away, cry, or seem overstimulated, it's okay to stop and try again later. Baby led, no pressure, just love. So that's your baby massage. Make it a routine. After bath time, before bedtime, or whenever you both need a moment of calm. And don't forget to enjoy it. This season flies by. They grow so quickly. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with another golden mom. And let me know in the comments, do you already massage your baby? What's your favorite part? I would love to hear from you. Till next time, keep loving, keep bonding, and keep glowing. See you soon, golden moms.